everyone out there. Today I'm going to be showing the algorithm for subtraction, or the more traditional way that you may have learned first when you were in elementary school. But I just wanted to backtrack a little bit to show all the different strategies that are taught prior to the algorithm, so that you have an understanding of what the kids have learned. So kids first use manipulatives to help them subtract. So here they would have 73. These are 7 tens and 3 ones. I'm going to take away 20, 1. So my answer is 52. Also, kids learn how to draw the picture and solve it that way. Kids learn how to use the number line strategy to help them either count back or count up to find the difference between two numbers. They have used the break apart strategy to help them understand numbers. This is wrong. This was an example of how not to do it. So you can see the progression where they've used manipulatives, they've used pictures, they've used number lines, and just abstract equations. So now, by this time, they have a very strong understanding of place value and how subtraction works. And so now we're able to show them the algorithm. And what I mean by algorithm is when it's up and down, like this. I bet you're thinking this: why do we do all these other strategies? Why don't we do this first? Well, I do have firsthand knowledge. Whenever I was a second grade teacher and we were doing the algorithms, the kids really struggled with what did it all mean. And now, with that strong understanding of place value, explaining the algorithm is really a piece of cake because they've had a lot of time and experience with subtraction. Okay. So it's important for kids to also think of place value. These are the ones, these are the tens, these are the hundreds, these are the thousands. So 8 minus 5 is 3. 1 10 minus 4 tens. Well, we can't do that. So we need to regroup, or in olden terms, borrow. But really what you're doing is you're taking 100 and you're regrouping it into 10 tens. Here you have 1 10, so the 10 tens from the 100 and the 1 10 you have means now you have 11 tens. So 11 minus 4 tens equals 7. Here we have the same problem. We have 100 minus 300. We can't do that, so we're going to regroup. We're going to take one of the thousands and regroup it into 10 100s. And so we are going to add those 10 100s to the 100s, and now we have 11 100s. 11 hundreds minus 300s is 800. And then 4,000 minus 2,000 is 2. It's very important that kids understand what regrouping means. It's not just borrowing one and bringing one over. They have to understand the place value behind it. When I was in 4th grade, I remember vividly struggling when the top number had a bunch of zeros, like 10,000 minus 6,872. I really wish somebody showed me this strategy. It's important for kids to be flexible with numbers. So what we could do is we're going to take one away from 10,000 and we're going to turn it into 9,999. Now look how easy this is to subtract. 9 minus 2 is 7. 9 minus 7 is 2. 9 minus 8 is 1. And 9,000 minus 6,000 is 3. Now, we took one away to make this into a friendlier number than with all these zeros. So we still have to add it back. So 3,127 plus the 1 that we took away, the answer is 3,128. Oh my gosh, this would have saved me a lot of heartache when I was in 4th grade. So there you go. So that is the algorithm, and it's really kind of the final stage that we're showing kids how to solve multi-digit subtraction equations. And so by the time they get to this point, they're pretty efficient with their strategies. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and have a great day.